Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do African threading at home. I do African threading to stretch my hair without it. So this is the state of my hair before detangling and washing. If you want to know more about my wash day routine, please check my previous videos and I will link it down below. So this is the state of my hair after I've washed. You can see the amount of shrinkage. So I'm going to stretch it with this African threading method. So this is my Brazilian wool. You can cut it to your preferred length, and then I'm just going to cut my hair, like I'm going to section it, then add shea butter, comb, and then start threading like this. This particular African threading I left spaces in between. You're going to see how it's going to look. I so much love this method. Like, it looks so beautiful. You can also use this African threading method as a protective style for your hair. It is less manipulative. So after that is done, I'm just going to continue repeating it for the other sections. Section, add shea butter, comb, and then thread like this. So I just want to show you how it looks with spaces in between. You can also decide to not leave spaces in between. It's all well and good. It's going to achieve the purpose of stretching your hair. Also make sure that the shea butter you're going to be using blends well in between your palms, like this one. You can see it blends well before applying it on your hair. You can also use LOC or LCO method to moisturize your hair, but for the sake of this video I use only shea butter. So right now I'm done. I'm just going to oil my scalp with my oil mix, and then voila, pack my hair. And then in my next video I'll be showing you the result of my African threading as a method to stretch my hair. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't seen the next one. Bye.